Okay, so I'm actually back at the Dixmoor power plant. I went here last November and my video here wasn't too bad, but these stairs, my video, I didn't go up these amazing stairs all the way, so that's gonna be the main focus of this video. Technically, yeah, it is a revisit, but you know, this is a, oh God, it's not that bad. God, such a baby. But yeah, so mainly this video will focus on the stairs. So what I did not cover, maybe I'll get a little more still shots, the lower parts on my way down. But yeah, this ends up being a short video. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. I have a lot of longer stuff. Oh wow, man, these stairs really weren't too. The only thing scary is my these kind of suck, but it's not the worst thing I've done. That's probably the worst part already. Now you have a wall. Oh, and a railing. Jesus, dude. Yeah, when I was here in November, I ain't doing much. Yeah, when I was here in November, you know, that was before I even climbed the Hawthorne Tower for the first time. So my height's issue is kind of still there. Oh geez, this is not bad at all, my God. Oh, sweet. Ooh, ah shit. Well, can't really do much here. Ugh. God, I need to work on my cardiovascular. Ugh. Oh, I need to be careful I don't rush through. Oh. Yeah, floor's kind of gone. Oh, get boys more though. Ooh, yikes. Whew. This area's pretty neat. Huh. Well, now I know what I was missing. Shit. Oh, yikes. Oh, okay. Now, can I get to the roof? Is that possible? Wow. That's irritating. Crap, man. I ain't gonna lie. Shit. Hey, at least I got up here, but Hell. You know what? Pause for a sec. Ha! I'm a magician. No, I don't know if that was one of my better decisions. We have to get back up there, but we'll come to that bridge when we cross to it. Okay, okay. Whew. Yeah, the sun has to be setting just now, but you get it. I'm by the stack. Well, yeah, obviously all this I did not get before my first trip. Oh. Yeah. Okay, I will skip that ladder on the stack. I'll skip that. I'll go to church next week if I make this. Fuck. Oh, YouTube, sorry. Too late. To the F word. Oh, that's probably for the best. I wasn't gonna try that ladder on the side anyway. Not quite that crazy. Not today. Woo. Whew. I think that leads to the basement of... I'm not sure. Yeah. Obviously those stairs would be better for that. I could. That doesn't really lead to anything. Ugh. Oh, come Josephine on your flying machine. Woo! I did it. That's all that matters. Not about how you start, it's how you finish. Or whatever they say. So, yeah, I have to go back that way I came down from. Yikes. I don't know, I'm really energetic right now, so... I feel like I'm going through this kind of fast, actually. Whew. Try to keep it steady. As always, I hope I'm keeping it steady. Having a little too much fun with this dangerous stuff. Yeah, I think it's safe to say this has definitely been worth me coming back. Yeah, I might want to pause here though. Ruh-roh. Okay, I'm gonna pause. Hopefully I don't stop the footage. Okay, shout out to whoever put that wood there. That's actually way more stable than what it looks. Thank you, whoever did that. Thank you. Okay. Whew. Yeah, I still don't think this is the most dangerous thing I've done, but you know, as almost always anyway, I explore solo. So it's kind of uncomfortable knowing that like your body might not be found for a while if you do fall or whatever. Though to me it kind of adds to the fun, but while I'm talking crazy, I'll point out I do not recommend urban exploring to anyone. Oh, that's cool. That's a good little shot of the place there. Ooh, nice. Oh, I mean, it's pretty good anyway. Okay. I'll be at the bottom of this, well, most of the stairs. I got like one shot of inside and then another shot of the outside. See you outside. Okay, back below. I mean, I got the lower parts relatively thorough on my first explore, so you know, if you want to see maybe a little more of the lower parts, you can watch my first one, but this is probably the much better explored, say. Really, just those stairs there are kind of a little questionable. But it's really just that one part of the stairs that has like no sides or railing. Other than that, you know, not too bad, really. Yeah, and this is a place that's been done quite a bit. Oh, actually, so as I'm recording, this is the same day that I don't know what I'll upload first, but I don't know, is this breaking the fourth wall or no? I don't think that counts for this. Yeah, I did just come from the, whatchamacallit, the funeral home. It's west of Chicago. But, well, that's a new place for me. But, oh, yeah, so basically, this place has been done a lot, and obviously I've been here before, just didn't go up high enough. The funeral home's been done by several people too now, but, you know, I like to have good little documents, if you will, for myself. And I had a lot of fun going up top and crossing that bridge, damn. Hawthorne Tower in Cicero is now boarded up, actually. I was there a week ago, so the city's kind of cracking down on that, but I've climbed that place many times, I think 9 times. You know, I think technically 3 videos, but I have like 2 decent videos, especially my last one, so I don't need to go back there anyway. Yeah, wow. This is actually pretty fun. Yeah, it's not really more kind of... Well, I have been to that quarry area by, the Joliet prison. I've been to that. Like, I walked around the lower parts, but like, and even though genetically I don't really have wide shoulders, you know, I work out, but genetically I don't have a wide wingspan. You know, I don't have really broad shoulders, but my shoulders are too damn wide for me to fit in, like, the openings where you crawl up to climb up to the top of that place. So I couldn't go to the top of that place because I couldn't fit. So. So this is a place that works for me if I ever want to, I don't know, do something a little crazy, but anyway, I'll see you guys outside now. Okay, before I go to the other side, just kind of awkward shot of the back. There's like a brick shed behind me and then a lot of growth, a lot of woods. So that's not that one. That's the bridge I walked across. So. Have to get a shot of the conveyor belt too. This did fascinate me before. Shoot. That's a decent shot. Oh, that's, yeah. Still, oh man, yeah, I'd pretty much die. 5 feet of water, maybe 6. Hard to tell on the camera, but yeah, it looks to me like 5 to 6 feet of water down there. Okay. Yeah. Back outside. Oh. And the sun is doing me no such favors. Probably should have situated myself a little better, but you know. Oh, that's not too bad. Yeah, Wyman Dixmoor, or wait. Wyman Gordon plant in Dixmoor. Oh, if I could talk, that'd probably be helpful. I don't know, wow, I'm having too much fun with this spot today, but it's only my 2nd time here. First time was last November, and again, plenty I didn't explore, so this is a revisit really worth it. It almost wasn't a revisit because I explored places I never saw. I love that dog. So yeah, so that was the bridge I went across again. There we go. Awesome place. Thank you all for watching.